people love to say, well, which market would you trade in, Simon? And which ones are the easiest to make money? And which ones are the hardest? To be honest, they're all exactly the same. In reality, equity markets do generally, once you had a bear market, equity markets do generally tend to go up. So it should be easier to make money in equities. But then you've got to hold the position for a long time, and that holding positions for a long time doesn't really suit derivative trading. With interest rates so low, it's not actually that bad. You can hold on to an equity position for a whole year at the moment for just 2%, 2.5%, which is mind-bogglingly small amount of thing to risk money for a whole year on. So I would say that equity markets in general are the ones that because they tend to move in great swathes up, sharp moves down, swathes up, sharp moves down. They tend to be the easier ones to make money, but the problem is you have to pick an individual share. And picking an individual share, you're at the mercy of something going wrong with that particular share. So you pay your money and take your risk. So, but there is no easy place to make money. Otherwise, we'd all be doing it.
Indeed. Do you think there are any markets that retail investors should definitely avoid?
The markets that have extreme volatility. And I hate to say it, I know it's a very popular one with clients, but gold is probably one that's the kind of thing they should avoid. It moves very sharply when it does move, and can carry you out quite quickly. The crop commodities, soft commodities, are also quite dangerous in that they tend to move on bits of information out of the United States, like the Frost report or something like that, and it's generally things that you don't know about until too late. So the Russians might suddenly make some announcement about the wheat crops east of the Urals, and you don't know about it, and wheat suddenly doubled in price or halved in price, and you're wondering why you're there. I also wouldn't get involved in speculative oil stocks, but that's my personal opinion. And don't get me wrong, clients love them. They love the Gulf Petroleum and Desire Petroleum and all these ones, and they believe everything that the companies write and say, but I wouldn't touch any of them with a barge pole.